This video is just going to be a quick little tutorial over a couple of the personalization options inside the SharpeSoft Estimator based on where you would naturally find them in the program. So right now I've got a job open and a bid item detail window as well. So first let's go over how to actually find the personalization window. We're going to go up to Defaults, Preferences, hit the Personalization tab. So the first one we're going to talk about, if we scroll down here, is the inactive list selected item, which basically is going to be the last thing that you highlighted with your mouse. You can actually see over here in the bid item list for traffic control is the same color. This is what we're going to be talking about. So let me just exit out. So if I click around, it will turn into that nice gray color. So that is basically what we're talking about in terms of that. If we were to escape here, so actually let me do something really quick. So we'll go back into where we were with traffic control. So if I hit escape from here, it'll go to the parent bid item. If I hit escape again, it'll go to the absolute top of the job. So we'll do that again. So traffic control, hit escape, went to the parent bid item that the detail item was inside of, hit escape again, it'll go to the top of the job. So if we go back then, actually here, let's go open up traffic control again. Let's go to, so since we mentioned it, we can scroll down until we see the top level bid item. So if I move this over here, you'll see that we have a top level bid item and a parent bid item. These are not always the exact same. But every detail item will have a parent bid item. The parent bid item might be the top level bid item, depending on how you set up the job. And then the parent item or superior bid item, which we just talked about, is right here. And let's actually go ahead and we can mess with the colors if we want. So let's just make this a nice green. We can hit OK. And maybe refresh the job, and then immediately that yellow color has become that green color. So we'll hit these last two really quick. Back up to defaults, preferences, personalization. So crew assembly detail records is going to be this red and white. Basically means that it's acting as a group heading, so everything beneath the heading is going to be treated as part of that group or assembly. And then for this dark gray and white, that is going to be no matching code in table. It basically means what it sounds. So there is no FM2 code in the table, meaning that you may want to change it or you can add it to your table as you go. So we hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you in a similar video.